everybody. Today we're making cashew delicious cheese.
The most delicious cashew cheese. So in our home, we're not a big fan of dairy, so we've substituted with cashew cheese. And you can use different seeds for cheeses. One of them is sunflower seeds, but we're using cashews today. And this is just a base recipe. You can add to it, you can take from it. But I'll show you how to make this one. I've soaked the cashews. You could soak them for 2 hours, overnight, an hour. It's just a cup of soaked cashews. And throw them in your blender. If you have a blender that's not so strong, like not a powerful blender, that's fine. You just soak them longer or let them sit there for a while. And you blend for longer. So we put water. Where's the water? Can you show me the water? Okay. So 1/4 cup of water. Whoa. Oh. Good work, Pee-wee. That's awesome.
Let me put cornflakes.
No, it does look like cornflakes. That's nutritional yeast, isn't it?
1/3 cup of yeast.
Yay! And we've got a yeast snow happening. Half a juice of lemon, okay? Okay. Lemon. And what else do we put in it? Some garlic. So 2 cloves of garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar.
And I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt, just Celtic salt, to give it some flavour. The cheeses you get at the shops are just full of fat and salt, actually. Okay, so then we start blending until it's smooth, so it becomes like a cream cheese. Let's go.
Mummy.
Go on.
This one?
Yep, go. Okay, I over-blended a little bit because I only soaked my cashews for half an hour. But this is the consistency. And I'll show you with this too. Can you see that? So that's the consistency of, so it's quite thick. And when you put it in the fridge, it'll thicken up even more. And we, like for the kids, this is such a good way to give the kids some nuts. Like, not many kids have cashew allergies, but a lot of kids do get nut allergies. But if they don't, this is a good way to get some. So you can have your cashew cheese on crackers, you can have it with veggies as a dip, and serve it out to your kids or whoever's come over. Enjoy the cashew cheese. Please follow us on The Table TV show on Facebook or thetabletv.com on our website. And you can find lots of different recipes that you can use the cashew cheese, and you can add things to it too. Please let us know if you add things to it and how it worked out on our Facebook page. See you soon.
Bye.